In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order checks for QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in QuickBooks and how to place an order through Intuit so your checks print cleanly right from your account. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online in your browser and make sure you're in the correct company file. It helps to have an administrator role so you can see all menu options. From the main dashboard, move your cursor to the upper left corner and hover over the Create menu. Depending on your layout, this may be labeled Create or New with a plus icon. Hovering reveals the transaction types available. From that menu, choose Check. This opens the check form inside QuickBooks Online. You don't need to enter anything on the check for this process. We're only using this screen to reach the official ordering link. Look toward the lower area of the page and find the Order Checks option. When you select it, QuickBooks sends you to Intuit's check ordering site in a new tab. If nothing appears, check that your browser didn't block a pop-up. On the Intuit site, choose the voucher check format. Voucher checks are the standard style designed for QuickBooks Online. One check on the top with detachable stubs that make reconciliation and record keeping easier. This style aligns with QuickBooks' print settings, so you'll save time on setup and avoid misaligned prints. Next, click Get Started. From here, you'll walk through a short setup to confirm details for printing. Have your business name and address exactly as you want them to appear on the check stock, and be sure your bank routing and account numbers are accurate. These numbers must match your bank to ensure the checks are valid and scannable. If you print with a laser or inkjet printer, select check stock made for that printer type for the best results. You can also pick the quantity, color, and security features that match your needs in budget. Before you place the order, review the preview carefully for spelling and number accuracy. A quick double check now prevents reprints later. After submitting the order, save the confirmation for your records. When your checks arrive, you'll be ready to print directly from QuickBooks Online. Running a quick test page helps confirm alignment. And that's all it takes to order compatible checks through QuickBooks Online using the built-in link on the check form and the voucher format that's optimized for clean, accurate printing.